Hi everyone, this is Katie, Customer Success Manager at PatentBots. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly get started using our tools. You'll first want to start on our website, and we can easily be found at patentbots.com. Next, you're going to want to select Sign In. And as you see on the right, we have multiple options for signing in. The first option is sign in with a work email. Note that we do not accept Gmail addresses or Yahoo. If you are signing in with your verified work email, you will receive a verification email from us. The next option is signing in with Google. You can select your Google account and log in with the associated credentials. Signing in with Microsoft is very similar, except you'll sign in using your Microsoft credentials. And the single sign-on feature is available for larger firms upon request. I'll go ahead and log in with my Google account. I'll select my account. And as you can see here, I am now signed in. I want to direct your attention over to the left panel. Here you can see that you'll have very quick and convenient access to all the PatentBots tools. And as easy as this is, we do recommend installing the Microsoft Word add-in because some of our tools are only available there. And I can show you just how easy it is to install yourself. First, you'll want to select Insert, and then you'll head over to Get Add-ins. And in the search field, you can type PatentBots. And as you'll see here, we have two versions of our Word add-in, one for processing on the Google Cloud platform, and the other for processing on Amazon Web Services. Go ahead and select the add-in that you prefer. Then you can select Continue. Got it. And as you can see here in the top ribbon, we have now successfully installed the Word add-in. I'll go ahead and select that. And as you see here at the top, you now have convenient access to the PatentBots tools, all right inside of Microsoft Word. Just another thing to note that you will be asked to log in when you begin using the add-in. And it's the same function as I previously showed you. Just select Login and choose your preferred method. I'll select Google. And as you can see here, you're ready to start using our tools. Just a note that we do provide a 2-week free trial for all new users. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy our products.